Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 14th to 18th July 2025. So let's go straight to a chart. So here you can see I already opened the chart. So let's first see the what happened in USD JPY pair on Friday. So as you can see 0.79% was a positive move, 147.399 was the closing. So now we will be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support and resistance zone which will help you take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart first. So here as you can see I'm opening the weekly chart. So here is the weekly chart. So in this weekly chart we can see a big bullish candle with big body, and upper and lower wick are very small. As you can see, small wicks are there. Here the stochastic RSI is at overbought area and indicating a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then we make a decision according to that data. So here you can see in coming week there are some data which are going to be published, so be careful during this time. And also let's now go straight to a one-day chart and let's mark important support and resistance zone. So as you can see in this one-day chart, I've already opened some. There are already some important support and resistance zones are marked. So first of all, I'll just check the charts and accordingly I will move if there are any different data which I can see if there is any movement in the data. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. So here already there are levels which are marked, so as such I am not able to see any such movement, but there are some old data which is important. So let's mark first that and then we'll talk about the closing. So here I've already marked some data. So let's dive and check what was the closing on Friday. According to this weekly closing, there is 147.399 was the closing. Direct support is 147.154 and direct resistance is 147.786. Here after direct support there is a support of 146.495 and then 145.968. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 148.232 and 148.679. These are some important levels which will help you to take trades this week. So do consider marking in your chart also. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. I'll also be sharing it on the I button that you can see on your right corner. Let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this is. So according to previous week closing, I am expecting a negative move closing in this range. So the range is 146.495 to 147.154. So I'm expecting a closing in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me know. But also if there is a closing below this level which is 146.495 and there is a one-day candle closing below this level, if the one-day candle breaches this level and gives a closing below this, then we'll see a more downside or negative move in this pair. So also if you are looking for any positive move or onto a bullish side position, then only to take a bullish position when 147.786 is breached and one-day candle closes above it. Until unless a one-day candle doesn't close above this, you should not take a bullish candle. This will be a no trading zone. 147.154 to 147.786 will be basically a no trading zone. If the price moves into this range, then we will not take any trade during the week, and we'll see on the next week what will happen. So overall my expectation is negative. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you do like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.